Hello. In today's video, we will be doing an unboxing of the Taco Raven Revision A board. Before we begin, we do have a little preparatory work that we must take care of. Now, before we do have our tacos, we must ensure that we have a clean plate on which to unwrap them on. For this unboxing video, you will need a box cutter. I do recommend the Olfa XH-AL. Now, as you can see, some poor, inconsiderate FedEx employee has affixed a label over our beloved Taco Raven. So before we begin, we must remove this travesty. And as you can see, they have desecrated the Taco Raven. Sleep well, little Raven. Your job is done. FedEx, though, has kindly graced us with an easy open pull tab to free the Raven from its cage. But again, FedEx has let us down. In this case, our Olfa branded box cutter comes in handy. Now this Raven has done its job. The package is in one piece. And properly contained. Now, in this cage rests our Taco Raven. Let us put us aside for now and see what other little details this little Raven have gifted us. You know what? I really don't want to chase all this down, but these are all the connectors that we will need to solder to our Taco Raven. I will open this bag later when I have something to put everything in, because I don't want to be chasing this stuff across my room right now. We'll put that aside. Oh, and what is this? These appear to be sense resistors. The R11. This may actually give our TMC 2130 drivers some balls. We may need these. Let us put these aside for now. And finally, tucked away in its little nest is our beloved Taco Raven Revision A. Let us open the box and free this Raven from its cage. Oh, and look at this. Another Raven. That is 3 so far. Although FedEx has desecrated the first one. And let us put its cage aside and unwrap this little taco. And behold, the Taco Raven, Revision A. We have some work to do to get you ready to fly, little birdie. What fun we will have. And look at this. We do have some pink foam as well. That is always good. Let us put this aside in our pink foam pile for now. I do hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. It has been a pleasure to be with you this evening. Thank you, and have a great night.